So over here you can see that I have a graphics, and then this graphics is pixelated. And if you want to smoothen these kind of graphics out, then what you can do is utilize something called Mean Curvature Blur. So to do that, you need to go around onto filters right here, and then you need to go around onto blur. And over here you can see that Mean Curvature Blur is an option. Once you go around and access it, then you can see that immediately it smoothens out the edges over here, just like this. So all you need to do is bring down the iteration, and you see the original image right here. And as you bring up the iteration right here, you can see that it smoothens things out right here. So you can see that this is pixelated right here, but as I increase out the iteration right here, just like this, you can see that it smoothens out the edges over here. You can see the before and after by changing out the opacity over here as well. So you can see the preview over here, just like this. And this is what you can do. You can also go around onto split view over here, just like this. So you can see that split view is an option, and you can see the before and after, as you can see right here. So you can see the before and after, which is much more smoother. So you want to bring out the old low resolution images and smoothen it out, then you can utilize this Mean Curvature Blur right here. So over here in the let's say, for example, blending mode right here, you can go around and utilize multiply and everything else as you like, just like this as well. So let me just go around and replace, and then go around right here. Once you want to apply this, you can simply click on OK, and then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the Mean Curvature Blur inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.